dragon!
Thanks for the ride, Thomas.
You're welcome, Wizard Funding.
I'm just gonna put my gold in this cave and then I'll be back.
In the cave? Are you not worried someone will find it and take it?
Oh, I don't think anyone will take it. I have a guard. Ah, what a beautiful day. Hey!
What is it, dear? Have you lost your crown again?
A dragon took it.
Oh, sure, a dragon took it. Why do you keep coming up with excuses?
But it did. Ah! Dragon! Hey, it took all of my gold artifacts. My gold binoculars! No!
Here are your new kitchen utensils, Chef Fanning.
Ah, thank you. I've been excited for these. No! That dragon just took all of them.
Percy, have you seen James anywhere? No, I haven't. Maybe the dragon has taken him. A dragon? Oh dear.
I've heard there are valuable treasures in this cave, and I'm going to take them. Oh, that smoke isn't a good sign. Oh well, gold, here I come. Ah! Dragon! Run! Diesel 10, go, go, go! The treasure is being guarded by a dragon! Did anyone else just hear that? Oh great, looks like I'll need to find another engine to help me.